What is the best natural alternative to shampoo? DIY baking soda shampoo. Pour 1 part baking soda into a bowl. Mix in 3 to 4 parts water. You can experiment to see what mixture and consistency you like best. If using essential oils for fragrance, add a few drops to the bowl. To use in the shower, wet your hair completely, turn off the water, and gently apply the baking soda mixture from root to tip. Let sit for 1 minute before rinsing it out with water. Finish with an apple cider vinegar rinse to try to restore the pH balance of your hair and scalp and to add shine to your strands. Pay attention to how your hair feels after the baking soda wash. How does your hair feel the next day, or a week later? If your hair feels dry or brittle, you might want to use less baking soda in your wash, or give your hair some time before you do another rinse. If your hair likes the baking soda wash, you might want to start using it once every 2 weeks and replace shampoo completely. Other naturals might be more comfortable alternating baking soda with shampoo or only using baking soda once every couple months for a really deep clean. Still, other individuals shouldn't use baking soda at all, especially if your hair feels very dry or irritated after the treatment. Remember that everyone's hair is unique, and the most important thing is to find products and a regimen that work for you. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.